Hello my dear sons and daughters. You are warmly welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss comparison of fractions grade 6. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, you can do it and also click on the bell icon and notifications all. Then you can easily get my videos. Comparison of fractions. First we are going to talk about fractions having numerator as 1. For that we will discuss the two fractions 1 over 2 and 1 over 3. I am going to represent these two fractions in circles with equal size. Two circles with equal size like this. To represent 1 over 2, I have to divide this into two equal parts and shade one part. Then to represent 1 over 3, I have to divide this circle into three equal parts and shade one part like this. Then we can conclude that the larger portion is in the first circle. So the fraction 1 over 2 is greater than the fraction 1 over 3. The last conclusion that we can come here is if you take two unit fractions, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the largest one. If I take two fractions like this, 1 over 7 and 1 over 6, the largest fraction here is 1 over 6 as it possesses the smallest denominator. So it is the largest fraction. If you take another two fractions 1 over 9 and 1 over 15, then what is the largest one here? Smaller denominator is this one. So the largest fraction is 1 over 9. Then the second part, fractions having the same denominator. We will take two examples here, two fractions. I am taking the fractions 3 over 5. 3 over 5 and 2 over 5. Two fractions with the same denominator. Then we will represent these two fractions in diagrams. I am taking two circles. Then I have to divide this into 5 equal parts like this. This one also into 5 equal parts like this. Then to represent 3 over 5, I have to shade three parts here. One part is shaded, then two parts are shaded, three parts are shaded like this. Then to represent 2 over 5, I have to shade two parts. One, then two parts are shaded. Then what can you conclude here? The larger portion is in the first circle. So the fraction 3 over 5. 3 over 5 is greater than 2 over 5. The fraction 3 over 5 is greater than the fraction 2 over 5. So the last conclusion is if you have two fractions with the same denominator, then the fraction with the largest numerator is the largest fraction. If you select two fractions like this, I am taking 3 over 7 and then 5 over 7. Two fractions with the same denominator. Denominator is 7 here. Then the numerators are 3 and 5. This is the largest numerator. So this fraction is the largest one. We are using this sign. Then I am taking another one. 17 over 20. And then 9 over 20. The same denominator. Then the numerators are 17 and 9. The largest numerator is this one. So this fraction is the largest one. Now we are going to discuss about fractions with the same numerator. I am taking these two fractions, 3 over 5 and 3 over 7. Only the numerators are equally here. Denominators are 5 and 7. So we have to consider each unit fraction in these two fractions. The unit fraction here is 1 over 5. So I can write 3 over 5 is 3 1 over 5s. 3 over 5 is built up with 3 1 over 5s. Then 3 over 7, what is the relevant unit fraction here? 1 over 7. So I can write 3 over 7 is 7 1 over 7s. 7 1 over 7s. If you take the unit fractions 1 over 5 and 1 over 7, what is the largest fraction here? This one is the largest one. The unit fraction with the smaller denominator is the largest one. So this is the largest fraction. So from that we can conclude 3 over 5. 3 over 5 is larger than 3 over 7. Then lastly we can say, if you have fractions with the same numerator, then the fraction with the smaller denominator is the largest fraction. The smaller denominator is this one here, so that is the largest fraction. We will take another two examples. I will take this one, 5 over 9 and 5 over 13. The numerator, two numerators are 5 here. Then how to select the largest fraction, the greatest fraction? This is the smallest denominator. So this fraction is the largest fraction. That is the thing that we have to understand here. We are going to discuss about comparing fractions with unequal numerators and denominators now. We will take as the example the two fractions 2 over 3 and 5 over 9. We have to consider about equivalent fractions when doing this comparison. What can be the common denominator here? The two denominators are 3 and 9. So we can easily make the denominator of this fraction into 9 by multiplying both numerators and denominators by 3. I am going to take the equivalent fraction 2 over 3. I am multiplying 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. Then it becomes 6 over 9. Then this fraction does not change. You can use it as 5 over 9. Then out of 6 over 9 and 5 over 9, what is the greatest fraction? The two denominators are equal, then the numerators are 6 and 5. So the largest fraction here is 6 over 9. 6 over 9 is equal to 2 over 3. Then this is the greatest fraction here. So when comparing fractions with unequal numerators and denominators, we have to use the knowledge of equivalent fractions.